Hello, welcome to AI Factory. Buckle up, you're about to learn how to craft hooks that grab attention and explode your views. Just like this.
Ah ha ha ha! Finally, I crossed galaxies to get here. I'm an alien.
Today, I'm showing you how to create insane viral hooks using Google Nano Banana and VEO3 with some epic sound and voice effects for free. Ever wondered how some creators hook millions of viewers in the first 5 seconds? Without flashy effects, trending sounds, or bananas? Yeah, we're skipping the gimmicks. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to craft irresistible video hooks that stop the scroll and spark instant engagement, using the exact techniques behind viral hits like Nano Banana and VEO3. Whether you're making shorts, reels, or long-form content, this is your blueprint for grabbing attention and keeping it. First, prepare your base video. This could be your own studio recording, or if you prefer, you can generate one using any AI video tool. In my previous tutorial, I introduced 5 free and unlimited AI video generators, so feel free to check out that video on my channel and try them out. However, if you want to create a voiceover synced video, you'll need to watch my other tutorial. In that video, I show you step-by-step how to make a voiceover sync video completely free. Next, open CapCut, a powerful AI video editing tool. It has a free version, available both online and as a desktop download. All the tools I mention are listed in this tutorial's description box, so you can check them there. Import your video into CapCut, place it on the timeline, and zoom in. Find the very last frame. Then, click the hamburger menu, 3 lines in the top right corner, and select Export Still Frame. Save the image, it will also appear in your imported files. This last frame is what we'll use for the transformation. Now, go to Google AI Studio and select Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview, also known by its codename Nano Banana. It's currently free for everyone to try. Upload the last frame you just exported from CapCut. Then, paste the following prompt. Transform the man in the image into a lime green alien, while keeping the original 16:9 image size and all existing elements intact. Very quickly, it generated the first image, but I didn't find it very good looking, so I generated another one. The second version looked much better, so I'll use that one to create the animation. Now that our character is ready, the next tool we'll be using is Google Flow. This platform is directly connected to the VEO3 ecosystem, leveraging its powerful video generation engine. Flow is actually Google's internal creative platform, which integrates multiple AI video generation models, including VEO3. Go to the Flow page and log in with your Google account. Click Create with Flow. You'll see an update notification. Just press Get Started. After that, you can choose either Add Starter Projects or New Project to enter the creative workspace. Select Frame to Video, upload the alien image, and click Crop and Start. Here, set the aspect ratio to landscape. For the model, you can choose VEO3 Fast, which uses 20 credits per generation. On Google Flow's free plan, you get 100 credits per month. But if you have multiple accounts, you can unlock more free generations. For a better showcase in this example, I chose VEO3 Quality, which consumes 100 credits. Then, paste in the prepared prompt. In the prompt, include the voiceover lines you want the character to say, as well as any background sound effects. You can also add more details depending on your needs, such as the character's actions, posture, scene, mood, or even fun, creative prompts. After that, click Generate. The wait time is short. Once the video is ready, download it, preferably in upscale 1080p quality. Now, let's take a look at the result.
Hey guys, today I'll show you how to create insane.
I think this video already looks great. Now let's import it into CapCut. If you feel the voiceover isn't strong enough, we can enhance it using ElevenLabs, one of the best AI voice generation tools available today. ElevenLabs can create realistic, high-quality spoken audio. Simply sign in with your Google account. On the left menu, click Voice, then search for Alien. You'll find 3 different alien voices.
I love chocolate. I eat it.
We rule world once, not
The drums of war thunder in the night.
Listen to each one, pick the one you like best, and add it to your voice library. Next, go to text-to-speech in the left menu, paste in your prepared script, and from the drop-down on the right panel, select your saved alien voice. You can also fine-tune details like speed, pitch, and emotion to match your exact needs. This way, you'll have a custom voice that truly belongs to your character. Back in CapCut, lower the original video volume, import the audio generated from ElevenLabs, and drag it onto your timeline so it aligns perfectly with your video. That's all it takes to replace the voice. But honestly, I really liked the original voice in this video, so I didn't use the ElevenLabs option here. One more tip, between the first and second video, you'll want to add a transition. Otherwise, the cut will feel too abrupt, just like I demonstrated earlier. But how did I actually make this part? Don't go anywhere. I'm about to show you the key step. This effect requires connecting the starting frame and the ending frame. In my earlier tutorial, how to create viral America's Got Talent magic shows with AI, transform humans into hybrid animals, I explained how to achieve this using Kling AI. If you're interested, you can find that video on my channel. Right now, there are several AI tools that can do this, but today I'll introduce you to one AI video generator. It can create cinematic 10-second videos in 1080p at 24 frames per second, with richer temporal, spatial detail, full storytelling capability, and stable dynamic performance. You can log in with your Google account. On the homepage, you'll see many user creations. You can explore them for inspiration, or even reuse their prompts. Then, head to the generation page to create your own video. Upload your starting frame and ending frame, and add a prompt. For example, transform the man in the image into a lime green alien. It showed me a waiting time of 7 minutes 43 seconds. Not too bad, pretty fast actually. And the result looks like this. Next, import the generated video into CapCut. Since I originally selected background music during generation, but it doesn't match my video, I'll simply lower its volume to the minimum so the music is removed. Then, adjust the length of this clip as needed. For example, I extended the transformation segment and shortened the before and after parts. This slows down the transformation animation slightly, making it feel smoother and more dramatic. Now, go to the Audio tab in the top left menu. To make your video more fun and immersive, of course you'll want to add some sound effects. There's no need to search across free SFX websites. CapCut already has an excellent built-in sound library. In the search bar, try searching for Alien or Alien Flame. Listen to a few options. For instance, I found one called Magic of Flame that works perfectly. Drag it onto the timeline and align it with the exact frame of the transformation.
Hey guys!
You can also layer multiple magic sound effects together until you get the best result. Of course, it all depends on your personal taste and style. Finally, export your video and that's it. Let's check out the final effect. Hey guys, today we're showing you how to create insane viral hooks using.
Hey guys, today I'll show you how to create insane viral hooks using galactic tech. I crossed galaxies to get here. I'm an alien.
Let me show you how to get VEO3 credits for free. Normally, in Google Flow, you can only make about 5 free videos per month. So how do we unlock unlimited access? Method 1, Google One Student subscription. Google has offered a Google One Student plan, and many university or school emails can apply directly. Once approved, you'll get 1 full year of free Pro access. With Pro, you can call VEO3 directly inside Gemini. How many videos can you make? Every Pro account comes with 1,000 credits. If you use VEO3 Fast Mode, each video only costs 20 credits. Do the math. That's 50 high-quality videos per month on a single account. Method 2. Get Google Cloud free trial via Vertex AI. Google offers a $300 free credit trial when you sign up for a new Google Cloud account. You can use these credits with Vertex AI's Media Studio to generate VEO3 videos, up to 90 days free usage. Method 3. Create multiple Google accounts. This is the most practical and widely used approach. Each account comes with its own set of free Google Flow credits, so the more accounts you create, the more credits you can use, giving you nearly unlimited generations. This is by far the simplest and safest way to get free credits. However, if one of your family members subscribes to Google AI Pro, you can be invited to join their Google Family group and share the 1,000 monthly credits. Any member of the group can then use these credits in Flow or Gemini to create videos, images, or other advanced AI outputs. And that's how you can use Nano Banana and V3, together with CapCut and ElevenLabs, to create an eye-catching viral hook. Of course, the example I showed today is just a simple demonstration. With your own creativity and curiosity, you can take these ideas further and produce even more stunning videos. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.